The Rasor W1040 rail system for bench cutters and O.E.M units has a modular construction. The anodized rail, in combination with polymeric material, guarantee friction-free use and a very long service life without bearings and without dust problem, with precise and smooth sliding. The trailers are available in 3 different lengths. Our matching CNC machined aluminum rail stoppers fit perfectly and ensure safe use. Due to the limited dimensions and light weight, this system can be easily installed for a variety of applications. The 1 meter extended handle is another important part when a handle crosscut is needed. This stainless steel handle has an on-off switch, which makes operation very user-friendly. The handle can be flipped to 90 degrees when not in use in order to leave the bench free for further operations. Thanks to the construction of the rail and trailer, you will not be bothered by cutting waste, and your cutting process will run smoothly. You can find all technical data and different measures on our website.